I'm here with Dr. George Michalos from the Laboratory for Manufacturing Systems and Automation of the University of Patras, and we're going to speak about the ESMERA project. So, George, could you please describe the project in 3 sentences?
Yes. So ESMERA is boosting the innovation capabilities of European robotics SMEs. So we are a project that aspires to provide an environment for these SMEs to develop novel technologies, to test them, and to be able to apply them to real industrial applications that are actually in need of them. So we are providing all the means, including direct funding, technical knowledge, and also business mentoring for these SMEs to develop their ideas and eventually bring their products to market.
And could you please also explain the objectives of the ESMERA project?
Yes. What we want to do in ESMERA is that we want to bring together a network of competence centers that are active around Europe and have a huge knowledge and expertise around robotics to team up with European robotics SMEs so that they can provide them with this type of support. And also we want to link these SMEs with the industries that are in need of their novel solutions. So we want to fertilize a completely new market for robotics.
Speaking of industry, you're involving industrial challenges in the project, meaning bringing end users to the project that are in the need of technology development. So why is this actually so important?
The thing is that we want to create an environment for these robotics SMEs that is also able to sustain their business. So this means that we want to motivate them to create solutions for existing markets, and this means that we need to tackle situations where conventional robotics are not able to cover the needs of such industries. And in that case, there is no better actor for us to guide us to where these needs are. So the industrial end users are indeed the key players that will show us where these markets rely so that the robotics SMEs can actually go and acquire them.
And is it actually difficult to find industrial partners providing these challenges?
No, I would say no. Even from the proposal preparation stage, we had a strong support from companies that were ready to define challenges that they need to have solved. And even at the moment, we are getting quite enthusiastic reactions from companies when we are presenting to them our projects. And for us, this is a good thing because it means that there are already needs for these companies for new robotic applications. And this is where ESMERA steps in to bring these needs close to a solution that is proposed by the SMEs.
And that sounds great. So you were talking about SMEs, so they're probably the key stakeholders of your project, I presume. So what kind of SMEs are you looking for?
We are looking for SMEs that are active inside Europe and that are developing robotics technologies. So this can be quite a broad spectrum in the sense that we can be talking about robotic manipulators, mobile robots, aerial drones, but even individual technologies like sensing or actuation. The only constraint that we impose is that they have to be applicable to the challenges that the project is promoting. And of course, that even after the end of the project, there can be a good market for further promoting these results in Europe.
So if I was working at such an SME, how could I get my company involved in ESMERA?
It's actually quite simple. All you have to do is visit our website and have a look at the different challenges that the project is supporting. And as soon as you identify one where your technology is applicable, you can come in contact with our help desk or directly contacting our competence center, and you can get some information on how you can be supported, what are the terms of participating in ESMERA. Then all you have to do is write a very short proposal explaining what is the technology that you want to develop and how you plan to use the services of ESMERA in doing so. And then there's going to be an evaluation of the proposals, and if your proposal gets selected for funding, we have an onboarding team that will get in touch with you and will prepare you for all the next steps in participating in our project.
That sounds like a great opportunity for SMEs. So my final question regarding the timeline, could you please tell us in a few words what are the next steps of your project?
Okay, so we expect that we're going to publish the content of our challenges until June 2018, and this eventually will lead us to opening our call for proposals within summer 2018. Then the first round of proposals of experiments will be selected by the end of October 2018, but we are also going to have a second round of selections in November 2019 so that we can give multiple options for the SMEs to get involved in the project.
Thank you, George. That sounds like plenty of opportunities for SMEs. That was Dr. George Michalos from the Laboratory for Manufacturing and Automation at the University of Patras, and we were talking about the ESMERA project.